of your waist, girl, you're something to stare at. You got me sprung like a bear trap, and your heels overhead, yeah, I meant it, I said that. Cinderella, like I met her at the ball. I treat her like my blood sugar, never let her fall.
Hello guys, today is Tuesday the 29th of March and I'm gonna take you with me. So today I have some things planned and I hope I can do them all. I just got home from school and I want to go to Alnatura, which is like a really healthy supermarket, like with vegetarian, vegan stuff and all, fair trade and all of that, you know. I wanna go buy some cashews there because I want to make a white wine sauce, but vegan, and maybe, not sure, maybe my mom will bring or will go buy my bookshelf today. I hope she does. I'm really excited, but we don't know yet. So I'm gonna go get my bike now and I'm first gonna go pee, but then I'm gonna go get my bike and then I'm gonna go to Alnatura and buy the stuff that I need for it, and then I'm not sure if I'm gonna make it now or later when my mom is home because I'm alone. It would be kind of sad to make that when I'm alone, but yeah. Yes, let's go.
She got the white top, I want to spend my life with you, We got the sunset going down, I just want you now, yeah. Look at the clouds, the orange, the gold.
Guys, I'm back and I'm so done. I wasn't on a bike for so long. Like, I'm not used to biking. Yeah, that is not a great light. Wait. Okay, that is better, but you have our not really clean kitchen in the background. I hope you don't mind. So I'm gonna show you what I bought. This was so painful because I had it over my shoulder and now my shoulder is hurting so bad and I don't want to know how it's going to feel tomorrow, but we'll see. So I was first in Alnatura, which is that healthy supermarket, and then I went to DM, which is a German drugstore. Yep, so I'm just getting all this stuff out. Okay, so I want to cook today and I want to make some pasta, a creamy white wine pasta, and it's made out of one pasta. We have some here, but I thought if I want to go healthy, I go like really healthy, so I buy it at Alnatura. So I bought this. It's just normal spaghetti, and then I need cashews to make it creamy, and these were the only, like, the cheapest. I didn't know that they were so expensive. I didn't know. Yeah, I got also some oat milk because we just have the barista oat milk, which is if you make some coffee or something, but I need that for the sauce too. And I bought, I don't know what it's called, Dinkel coffee. It's like some healthy kind of coffee but without coffee. Doesn't really make sense, I'm so sorry. That's all I bought at Alnatura. And then I went to DM and I bought ginger. It's sweet ginger and I love it. That is all I bought. It was not cheap for the stuff at Alnatura, so the oat milk, the 2 cashew packages, the coffee and the spaghetti. I paid about 15 euros, which is a lot for just what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things. I'm gonna now go edit my video for tomorrow, and then when my mom comes home I'm gonna make the pasta right before she comes home and we can eat, and then we're gonna hopefully build my bookshelf. Does that make sense? Build my bookshelf. Yeah. mean, it's, you build it, you put it together, the pieces, you know. Oh my god. I shouldn't do explaining videos. Yeah, but I'm first gonna go make myself some of my coffee, I think. Yes, coffee, and then I'm gonna eat those while I'm editing my video. That's gonna be fun. So I'm not finished with editing my video, but I just heard that my mom came home because of the dogs there barking, and so I know that they're home. I'm gonna go downstairs and start cooking now, preparing. I, in the beginning, wanted to make like some kind of cooking video where I even talk with you about stuff and make it like really detailed, if you know what I mean. Now I'm not sure if I just make a vlog kind of thing. We ate and I didn't film a lot because my mom's friend was there and we were kind of cooking together. I hope you don't mind. Yes, so we ate, we talked, we listened to music. It was really fun. And now I'm gonna go call my boyfriend. I'm gonna keep editing my video, but it's already almost 9, so not for that long because I want to go to bed on time.
Fast, babe. I just wanna feel everything. I wanna feel the wind on my skin. I wanna feel the wind on my skin. I wanna feel the wind, wind. And now we're reaching 24. We used to be interlaced. Couldn't bear in my mind that it's no longer my eyes, that yours and yours only. But for us I'm safe. You should slide, 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 slide through. Come through right now. It's only 4:22, yeah. Lay down on my front lawn with the fires up. We get skies open up. We get skies to blanket us. Skies wanna blanket us. I wanna blanket us. Take us out of space at the constellation.